In the sunshine state of Florida, where the roads stretch from the peaceful beaches of the Gulf Coast to the vibrant energy of Miami's streets, there's a rite of passage that almost every family faces: teen drivers learning the rules of the road. It's a milestone filled with excitement, freedom, and, let's be honest, a bit of financial stress. As thrilling as it is to see your teen behind the wheel, the reality of adding them to your auto insurance policy can quickly turn into sticker shock. In this video, we break down the 10 cheapest car insurance companies for teens in Florida and discuss everything from monthly rates and AM Best ratings to the average car insurance costs for young drivers based on age and gender. But before we dive in, let's quickly touch on why teen auto insurance is such a hot topic and why Florida, in particular, can be tricky. Teen drivers are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents, especially within the first few years of driving. Their lack of experience, coupled with the distractions of modern life, means insurers see them as high risk and charge accordingly. Visit autoinsurance.org today. Simply enter your zip code into our free quote tool, answer a few basic questions about your vehicle and driving history, and you'll instantly see a range of affordable coverage options tailored to your needs. In Florida, there are several factors that could increase your car insurance costs. The state's high population density, unpredictable weather, and no-fault insurance laws all contribute to higher baseline premiums. So if you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now, trust me, you're not alone. Before jumping into the top 10 companies, keep these quick tips in mind. Most insurers offer significant savings for maintaining a B average or higher. Completing a recognized driver's ed course can lead to better rates. Many auto insurance companies offer usage-based programs, which track driving habits and reward safe behavior. Combine insurance policies like auto and homeowners for extra discounts. You can also add your teen to an existing policy, as it's almost always cheaper to add a family member to your policy rather than creating a separate one. Now, let's dive into the 10 best company picks. Number 1. USAA, best for military families. Known for its exclusive membership to military families, USAA combines affordability with exceptional service. Teen drivers benefit from generous discounts, personalized coverage, and one of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the country. The catch? It's only available to active military, veterans, and their families. So while not every teen will qualify, those who do may find it's the best deal available in Florida. Number 2. GEICO, best for online convenience. GEICO's mobile app and website make it easy for tech-savvy teens to manage their policies and file claims. With a good student discount and widespread availability, GEICO strikes a balance between affordability and ease of use. But with fewer local agents, much of the interaction happens virtually, which may or may not be a plus depending on the driver's preferences. Number 3. State Farm, best for local agent support. Known for its extensive network of local agents across Florida, State Farm is ideal for families who prefer face-to-face support. State Farm's good student discounts and usage-based programs like Drive Safe and Save can lead to big savings over time. One drawback? New policies can't be bought online, so a personal visit or phone call is required. Autoinsurance.org is your shortcut to significant savings on car insurance. To begin, just enter your zip code in our user-friendly quote tool and explore a list of competitive offers from trusted insurers in your area. Number 4. Nationwide, best for flexible deductibles. Nationwide offers flexible deductible options, making it great for families who want control over how much they pay out of pocket. Safe driving is rewarded too. Each year without an accident lowers the deductible. Still, it's not available in every single part of Florida, and rideshare coverage is missing. So aspiring Uber or Lyft drivers may need to look elsewhere. Number 5. Liberty Mutual, best for safe driving discounts. It encourages smart habits on the road, with incentives for clean driving records. Add-on options like roadside assistance and gap insurance help teens feel more secure no matter where they go in Florida. However, some drivers may find Liberty Mutual's rates less competitive if there's a blemish on their driving history. Number 6. Progressive, best for usage-based savings. The Snapshot program tracks driving behavior and rewards good habits. Teens can also use Progressive's Name Your Price tool to build a policy around their budget, a helpful feature for families working within tight financial limits. But risky driving behavior can lead to higher premiums, so it's a bit of a gamble. Autoinsurance.org makes it simple to lower your insurance costs. Start by entering your zip code into our free and secure quote tool, answer a few easy questions about your car, driving habits, and gain immediate access to multiple customized policy options from reputable companies. Number 7. Allstate, best for customizable coverage. Its accident forgiveness option and broad bundling discounts mean coverage can be tailored to the unique needs of teen drivers. Families who are already renting, for instance, can combine renters and auto insurance for better deals. But drivers with serious infractions may see steep rates. Number 8. American Family, best for claims experience. Their Know Your Drive program gives teens a chance to earn discounts while learning better habits behind the wheel. Coverage is also well-rounded, with extras like roadside assistance and rideshare insurance. It's important to note that American Family isn't available in all parts of Florida, and its rates may not always be the lowest. Number 9. Farmers Insurance, best for group discounts. Whether part of an alumni association, professional group, or employer partnership, there are extra savings to be had. Coverage options range from basic to comprehensive. Downside? Farmers' premiums can be high for high-risk drivers, and customer service reviews vary. Number 10. Travelers, best for stacking discounts. From multi-policy to driver training to safe driving rewards, Travelers gives young drivers a toolkit to reduce costs. Add-ons like accident forgiveness sweeten the deal, helping to keep long-term rates stable. Autoinsurance.org is your first stop for affordable, reliable car insurance. Just enter your zip code into our free quote tool, complete a brief set of questions about your driving history and vehicle, and in minutes you'll receive a range of quote options from some of the best insurance providers in the industry. Now that we've broken down the 10 best auto insurance options, it's clear that each company has its own strengths. The smartest move is to compare quotes, read reviews, and talk to a trusted insurance agent who knows the local market. Yes, finding affordable teen auto insurance in Florida can feel overwhelming. But when you break it down step by step, understand the available discounts, and compare your options, it's entirely possible to find a plan that fits your budget. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about saving money. It's about safety, responsibility, and setting up new drivers for success on the road. Whether it's the first solo drive to school, a weekend beach trip, or just learning how to navigate traffic, teen drivers are beginning their journey. And with the right insurance coverage, that journey can be safer and more affordable for everyone. Autoinsurance.org helps drivers across the country save time and money on auto coverage. Enter your zip code, answer a few personalized questions about your driving profile, and quickly view competitive quotes from leading insurance carriers, all at no cost to you. So if you're in Florida and have a teen getting ready to hit the road, take a deep breath, start the search, ask questions, and don't settle for the first quote you get. Affordable, reliable auto insurance for teen drivers is out there. You just need to know where to look. For more tips on navigating Florida's insurance landscape and keeping your teen protected on the road, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next guide. Florida teens, drive safely and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching.